Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door trim in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a putty knife. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door trim. This is the left side door trim. It's mounted on the outer side of the left French door. It supports the door seal, allowing for an airtight seal. The main reason to replace the door trim is if it's broken and won't stay in place. To get it apart, we need to open the left side French door. So this is the door trim that we need to remove. I'm going to use this putty knife and I'm going to insert it into the seam and pry the top out. And we're going to slide it down and pry it out and continue down. And one more spot at the bottom and it's out. This is the old door trim next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. We're going to install this trim on. We need to place this edge into the groove here. And then we're going to press it in. All right, now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.